Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. As we have been learning part of the Google package, today I want to take you through the Google Meeting. So if you want to open a Google Meeting, the first thing is to come to your Google Chrome, then you double click. After double clicking, there will be these 9 dotted points here. You come and click. After clicking, you will get very many applications here that you may use. So you come for the one that is here, Google Meet. Now you click the Google Meet. After clicking that Google Meet, if the meeting was scheduled before, so you just come and what? If the link was shared, you just come and tap the link and you drag it in this point, then you join the meeting. But if it is a new meeting, you will come and tap it new meeting, then you start the meeting instantly. So when you're starting this meeting instantly, a link will be generated, and this link, once it is generated, you can now share it on the various groups that you have, maybe the WhatsApp group, the different group that you have, then people will be able to join. So if you want, like the link is here, so you will just come here and copy. So this is the link, then you share it with the people. If you want to add other people, there are provision here for adding others. So this is very important to use. Now when you are here, you can decide, this is the microphone, you can decide to mute it or you put it on. So when you are talking, you put your mic on, then you talk. So this is a provision for, that shows more for your camera. So in this case we don't want to use it. Then this box also gives us certain things that you may need to do. For instance, we have here, you choose what to share in the Google Meet here. This side, you see, as it is written here, that this side will be able to see the content of your screen. So everything that is on your screen now when you are sharing, they appear here, so that you are able to see. So in this case, we're not interested. Then we have this provision. So this provision gives us different, you see these different pictures. So in these pictures, if you are in love with it, or you come here for this art, if you agree with the point, if you're greeting somebody, you're happy, or you're disagreeing with somebody, there are different options here. Now if you want to raise your hand, there's a hand here, you can come and raise it up and your name, you will be seen. So the manager, the host manager will be able to pick you. So there are other provisions here, like if you want to adjust your screen, you can adjust your screen here and make it full, make it a full screen. So if there are other reports of abuse, if some setting you want to make a call, the provisions here. This one shows us the number of people who have joined the meeting. I'm the only one here. So this provision is also there. So this is for in-call messages. They keep coming here, so you'll be checking on them. There are other provisions here for the tool meeting. So you may use them if you need more of the details. They are here. You want to read some, this is provision for AI read. If you want to add, you come and add them and choose whatever you want to work to gain. The most important thing is here, which is the host manager. So you as the host, you are able to use this setting to keep control of the meeting. So only the host will be having access to this control. the one who is sharing the meeting. So you come and activate it. Activate. So once it is activated, you are able to share your screen, you are able to send reaction, able to turn on the microphone. There are other provisions down here. So if you feel like you see here written that the host must join before anyone else, so you can also activate here. Then because somebody may start the meeting when you are not there. If you're the one who wants to moderate the meeting, then you come and activate. So that means if you have activated this, people cannot join the meeting unless you have joined. It's you to start. Then there are provisions here for there's some important thing here. Now if you want to make it open, or you want all the trusted people to join the meeting, so here you come. Then if you want anyone with the same meeting, with the meeting link to join, you come here. But if you do not want, you come and put it off. So you just maneuver it like that. So this is one of the best way to manage a meeting, and it also helps to, first of all, it saves time, reduces the cost of traveling to go and hold a meeting, so you are able to have it on real time. Thank you. Subscribe, like it, comment, and be part of my YouTube channel. Thank you.